Well, welcome back everybody to my little kitchen here in Hertfordshire. It's me, Roger, or Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad, and today I'm going to be making, as it's barbecue season, I think I'll make a tiramisu. Nah, that doesn't sound right. I'm going to make a tiramisu. Anyway, before we start, let me show you my two visitors. There's one. Hello, you're a good boy, aren't you? And there's the other one. It's a hard life, isn't it? They're not mine. One's my sister's dog and one belongs to my niece. And they're just paying me a little visit for today. They're wondering what I'm doing, making this video, to be honest. So here we have the ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to use some double cream, some vanilla extract. Here we've got some soft cheese, some coffee. I'm going to make some quite strong coffee. Trifle sponges, or sponge fingers, or whatever you want to call them really. You know what I mean. Some chocolate. Some of this Grand Marnier, liqueur, orange, cognac, yummy, and some orange. Orange and chocolate are a perfect combination. Firstly, I'll make a start with the creamy base. We need cream and soft cheese, a few drops of vanilla extract, in that goes, some of this delicious orange and brandy mixture, not too much, that should do. Now for a bit of sweetness I'm going to add some icing sugar, about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to grate in some zest of this orange. Lovely. So I made the coffee really strong, and it's cold coffee. And these sponges, I'm going to break those up. Not a lot. Each one probably into about 4 pieces like that. Another one. As easy as that, that's really easy. So we'll take a spoon full of this mixture, just put that in the base, like that. Then we can take the sponge, give it a quick dunk into the coffee. Don't leave it in there too long. I think it's better if I use a fork for this. So pop another piece in. So now it comes. We can add a bit more of this orange zest. Then some grated chocolate. There we go, doesn't that look good? I could eat that now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about an hour so it can set nice and hard. Well, crikey, I wish I had that sort of energy. Anyway, let's try this delicious dessert. It's so good. The orange, let's give it that little twist to make it a little bit different to the usual tiramisu. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, everybody, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Leave me any comments down below and I'll always get back to you. Until the next time, bye.